We live in a data-driven world. Everywhere you look, numbers are flying around. Stock prices, YouTube views, even your chaiwala's sales. It's all data, data, data. But here's the thing. Raw data is about as exciting as watching paint dry. It's like trying to understand a Bollywood movie by reading the script. You need the visuals, the drama, the dance numbers. That's where charts come in. Charts take boring data and turn it into something you can actually understand. They're the storytellers of the data world. But let's be real, making charts can be a pain. It's like trying to parallel park a rickshaw in Mumbai traffic. Messy, frustrating, and takes forever. You're stuck messing with spreadsheets and design software, pulling your hair out over colors and fonts. Who's got time for that? But wait, my friends, there's good news. What if I told you there's a way to create stunning, insightful charts without the hassle? What if you could unlock the secrets of your data with just a few clicks? Enter ChartGPT, the AI-powered tool that's about to revolutionize the way you see data. ChartGPT is like having a personal data artist at your fingertips. It takes your raw data, sprinkles in some AI magic, and boom. You've got professional-looking charts that would make even the most demanding data scientist proud. Forget about spending hours wrestling with spreadsheets and design software. ChartGPT does all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what really matters, understanding your data and using it to make smarter decisions. Think of ChartGPT as the Swiggy of data visualization. You wouldn't spend hours cooking biryani when you can order it online, right? So why waste time creating charts manually when ChartGPT can do it for you in minutes? It's fast, it's easy, and it delivers delicious results every time. But ChartGPT isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about unlocking the hidden stories within your data. It's about finding those aha moments that help you understand your business, your audience, or even your own life in a whole new way. So, what makes ChartGPT so special? Well, for starters, it's powered by the same cutting-edge AI technology that's taking the world by storm. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. ChartGPT's AI works behind the scenes, analyzing your data and suggesting the best chart types to tell your data's story in the most impactful way. But that's not all. ChartGPT is also incredibly easy to use. It integrates seamlessly with all your favorite data sources, whether it's Excel spreadsheets, Google Sheets, or even your favorite marketing platforms. Just upload your data, select your preferred chart style, and voila! ChartGPT does the rest. And speaking of chart styles, ChartGPT has got you covered. From classic bar charts and line graphs to more exotic options like heat maps and scatter plots, ChartGPT offers a smorgasbord of visual treats to satisfy your inner data nerd. You can even customize the look and feel of your charts with different colors, fonts, and layouts. It's like having a whole design team at your beck and call, but without the hefty price tag. Section 4 ChartGPT Masterclass, from data dump to stunning visuals. Okay, enough talk, let's see ChartGPT in action. Here's a quick crash course on how to use this magical tool. Step 1. Gather your data. First things first, you need some data to work with. This could be anything. Sales figures, website traffic, social media engagement, you name it. Just make sure your data is organized in a way that ChartGPT can understand, like a spreadsheet or CSV file. Step 2. Upload and choose your weapon. Once you've got your data, head over to ChartGPT and upload it. You'll then be presented with a selection of chart types to choose from. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick. ChartGPT's AI will suggest the best options based on your data. Step 3. Customize and conquer. Now comes the fun part, customization. ChartGPT lets you tweak your chart's appearance to your heart's content. Change the colors, fonts, labels, go wild. You can even add a catchy title and caption to make your chart extra presentable. Step 4. Share your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. ChartGPT lets you export your charts in various formats, so you can easily embed them in presentations, reports, or even social media posts. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your raw data into a stunning visual masterpiece. Congratulations, you're now a ChartGPT ninja. Section 5. ChartGPT in action, from stocks to school, it's charting everything. Now you might be thinking, okay Hassan, this ChartGPT thing sounds cool and all, but how does it actually apply to the real world? Well my friend, let me tell you, ChartGPT is like that friend who's down for anything. It's versatile, adaptable, and always ready to party. Stock market mavens. Imagine you're trying to understand the volatile world of the stock market. ChartGPT can help you visualize stock prices, trading volumes, and other key metrics, making it easier to spot trends and make informed investment decisions. YouTube sensations. For all you YouTubers out there, ChartGPT can be your secret weapon for analyzing channel performance. Track your views, subscribers, and engagement over time to see what's working and what's not. Education revolution. Even teachers can benefit from ChartGPT's magic. Create engaging visualizations of student performance, track progress over time, and identify areas where students might need extra help. Business bosses. From sales figures to marketing campaigns, ChartGPT can help businesses of all sizes make sense of their data. Identify growth opportunities, track customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions that drive results. These are just a few examples, my friends. The possibilities with ChartGPT are truly endless. It's like that all-purpose masala you use in every dish. It just works. Section 6. Ready to be a chart guru? ChartGPT is your shortcut. So there you have it, folks. ChartGPT is the data visualization tool you never knew you needed. It's like having a superpower that lets you see the hidden stories within your data. No more struggling with spreadsheets, no more design headaches, just pure, unadulterated data insights at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Head over to ChartGPT, sign up for a free trial, and unleash your inner data artist. Trust me, once you go ChartGPT, you'll never go back to those boring old charts again. It's time to ditch the spreadsheets and embrace the future of data visualization.